My name is Frederick Burgess, and I am a tour guide at Annandale Distillery. The general process of making whiskey is almost exactly the same in every distillery out there, but it's all about the small little tweaks that really bring out the unique qualities in a whiskey. If you pull it off correctly, there is something quite magical. Now, when the clear spirit is filled into our cask, it's taken over into our bonded warehouse that we are standing in at the moment, and it's left to mature for a minimum of 3 years and a day on Scottish soil for it to be legally sold as a Scotch whisky in the first place. Now, it is during the maturation process something really interesting happens, as the alcohol inside the cask will slowly start to evaporate, and this has been given quite a poetic name. It is known as the angel share. So of course, as the vapors are rising up into the sky, up to heaven, the angels are taking their share from what we've lost, and probably getting quite merry as a result. In Scotland, we tend to lose about 2% of our cask per year to evaporation. We'd love to be left with a full cask of whiskey, but it is something that we just have to accept about the natural process. Now that the angels have had their share, I think it's time we should taste the whiskey for ourselves.